It's a prank! Chill!
Clean my plate, had they eat, rice and peas, what's that mean, niggas lame, niggas creep, clean my plate, had they eat, rice and peas, what's that mean, niggas lame, niggas creep, on your block, on your street, yeah, pull up on your shorty with the Mac, yeah, kept me on a PC, hack, yeah, bitch you nigga cannot get me that, yeah, I didn't get money while you laugh, yeah, bet they didn't know that I was back, yeah, haven't ducking in the club like ooh what happened, yeah, call me Luffy, I'm the captain, I'm so slick, slimy nigga, need a neck, all in the back, crack, chiropract, yeah, running a track, just on the black, ready to snatch, yeah, niggas is whack, I'm some slacks, that costs a rack, yeah, I make a tat, I make a tat, I make a tat, yeah.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Malik, and as you can see from the title, today we'll be doing sneezing on people in public. A little bit of chew. Ugh. Now before we start this video, I just want to give a quick shout out to SAP Surveys. If you guys don't know what SAP Surveys is, it's an app that lets you earn a ton of money just taking surveys. As soon as you sign up for SAP Surveys, they give you $6.25, so make sure you click the link in the description. They also have a location rewards program, so they pay you to go shop at certain places. So before you start this video, make sure you go check out SAP Surveys right now. The link is in the description.
It was straight error. All right, take two. Here we go. Oh, sorry. It's a prank, man. It's a prank. It's water. It's just water, man. It's just water. It's just water. It's just a joke.
Oh. Yo, hey, bro, it's a prank, bro. Hey, bro, what the It's a prank. Oh, it's a prank. Chill, bro. Chill. It's a prank. Bro, you try, nigga, beat me outside. That's on God. Oh my God. It's just a prank. Sorry about that, man. My bad, bro. You good? My bad. You know where the bathroom at? I ain't following that. Yo, bro. Oh. Sorry about that.
No, but you just sneezed on that man over there. You need to go to the bathroom.
I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry.
Shut that ass, cuz.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
Sorry. Yeah? Sorry about that. Just want a massage. Oh my God. Huh? I'm so sorry, miss. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, man.
You're looking right at me with the camera. He pointed at me. Oh, he getting up. Yeah, my eyes stink, man.
Turn around right there. That was tough. Sorry about that, bro. Sorry, man. You alright? You good? Sorry. I'm sorry about that. Huh?
Just like sneeze all over me.
I'm so sorry. You okay?
No, I'm not. You disgusted me.
You need a napkin?
No.
I can go get you a napkin.
No, you sneezed on me.
I thought I covered my mouth. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, miss. Alright, guys. So, it's time to bring out the infamous. Oh my fucking god. I can't even.
No, not the poop. Sorry, did I say anything? Sorry about that. Sneezed all over this. Sorry about that, bro.
I'm so sorry, man. I'm so sorry. Sorry about that.
You alright?
I got a cold. I'm sorry about that. You good? Huh? Yeah, I got bad allergies. You alright? I'm sorry about that.
Oh, shit. Did I sneeze on you? I'm sorry. That bitch was mad. Oh, excuse me.
$10,000 likes for the next video. Make sure you're paying attention to the next video, bro. I'll be giving away these backpacks and $1,000. Follow me on Instagram at Malik, and I'm out.
Oh man, no hoe. Oh man.